Earlier this month, I started getting noise on the left front wheel area. Here is the sound that I recorded while driving and also turning the wheels. The sound was noticeable while driving. By the way, Tesla resealed the ball joints on both front upper control arms about 1 year ago. I made a Tesla service appointment to have this looked at. On the day I brought the car into the service center, I talked to the service advisor. He said that Tesla had a TSB, or Technical Service Bulletin, for about 2 years where they routinely lubricated ball joints on all Model 3 front control arms when they came in for service. He stated that this did not indicate that there was an immediate problem with the control arms. Tesla considers control arms to be a wearable part and outside of the warranty period are a service item that the car owner pays for. This brings up a discussion whereby does a common part failure that can occur anywhere from 40 to 90,000 miles should require a recall or minimum a reduced cost replacement. The service advisor did answer that the part is revised and does look different than the one that originally came with my car from the factory. I tried to push on the aspect of the lubrication 11 months ago that was not initiated by me was related to the control arms failing. He said that Tesla is learning as they go along on parts and constantly improves them. He is sorry, but there is nothing more he can do. Realistically, I can't force Tesla to do anything as an individual. Here is the final invoice for the service performed. As stated, the service center replaced both front upper control arms for noise due to worn out ball joints for $182.48 for parts and $55.50 for labor, plus $17.26 tax for a total of $255.24. In the great scheme of ownership, this really wasn't a huge cost. The $182.48 for the two control arms, by the way, they are only replaced in pairs, and the $55.50 in labor seemed reasonable for the roughly hour or so that the car was actively in the shop. I was in at 7:30 a.m. and out by 9:15 a.m. Service is touchless at my location, which means that everything is done through the Tesla phone app, including any messaging. I did go inside the showroom and ask the advisor my further questions about the service. This is at least an improvement over when 2 years ago there was no one present to talk to customers. Have you had an issue with the front control arms on your Tesla? Let me know what you think. Is this something that Tesla should remedy for owners? Most of all, make sure that if you have any noise from the suspension, to have it thoroughly looked at before your warranty expires. It may save you a few $100s if you do so. Well, that's it for my service visit on November 8th, 2022. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.